We live in a world where every choice matters. Our everyday decisions define our future. Landfills are filling up with unnecessary waste. Textile overproduction by consumers and companies is a part of this problem. Here at Lindstrom, we have a solution. We aim to offer our customers the most sustainable textile service on the market. We extend the life cycle of workwear by long-life design with durable materials. Garments are also easy to repair and reuse for multiple purposes. This way, we can keep the garments in use for as long as possible. Textiles are washed in a sustainable way by optimizing water and energy consumption. With the help of on-demand manufacturing, we produce more garments only when needed. Our digital solutions help to optimize the amount of textiles needed by our customers. At the end of the life cycle, textiles are recycled, and given a new life. Are you ready to be a part of the revolution? Choose the circular solution. Choose Lindstrom.